Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. The major averages closed in the red on Wednesday, with the Nasdaq suffering the steepest decline, shedding 1.6%. The Dow and S&P lost nearly 1%, while the Russell lost 0.8% off earlier lows. Consumer discretionary was the biggest laggard, closing down 1.8%, while technology sold off 1.7%. Real estate and utilities were the only positive sectors, each rallying 1%. On the earnings front, Tesla is higher after reporting mixed earnings for the third quarter. Adjusted EPS came in at 72 cents, well ahead of the 58 cents estimate that Wall Street was expecting. Revenue of $25.18 billion fell short of expectations, although margins came in better than expected. The EV maker said it expects total deliveries to see slight growth in 2024. Tesla also says it has plans for new vehicles, including more affordable models, to start production in the first half of 2025. Also reporting after the closing bell, IBM, which is down after a mixed report. Revenue missed analyst expectations. IBM says its AI book of business stands at $3 billion and that it will deliver more than $12 billion in free cash flow for the year, driven by continued expansion of operating margins. AT&T closed at a three-year high after beating on both the top and bottom line. The company reported over 400,000 postpaid phone net adds and 200,000 fiber net adds, its 19th quarter in a row of doing so. CEO John Stankey says the company furthered its leadership in converged 5G and fiber connectivity despite severe weather and work stoppages in the Southeast. AT&T also reiterated its full-year outlook. Taking a look at what's on tap tomorrow, on the earnings front, UPS, American, and Southwest Airlines will report before the opening bell, and then after the bell, Dexcom, Deckers, and Skechers will report. We'll also get data on new home sales, jobless claims, and the PMI composite. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.